Hey everybody, it's Kim. How you doing? So I'm here with another acrylic pour. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? I'm just going to use a few different shades of blue, and then I have to use a little neon pink. Look at that. Aren't they scrumptious? Don't you want to just eat them up? I love these colors. So nothing fancy. Added some white also. Always need a little white. And then I'm just going to add a couple of squirts of the silicone oil. See if we can get some pretty cells, not so controlled. Maybe more than I probably wanted to add, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. And what's a few drops of silicone oil. I'm gonna add some sparkles to this blue. Just a little bit of sparkle. You don't want the sparkles to overpower the color. So just add a little dimension there. Black around the edges. This just gives the paint a little room to flow, right? It gives it something to latch onto. And it's just fun. It's just fun to be tactile with the paint, and it's very primitive and just very relaxing. And again, this just gives the paint something to push when we're doing the when we do the pour. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to use the blow dryer to blow the colors around. I never really have a lot of success, and the best thing I can always do is like flip the cups, maybe use a strainer or something like that, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try. I see people doing so many beautiful things with the blow dryer, and so let's see what I can do. I don't have a lot of hope, but we'll see. I just love that blue with that pink. Isn't that gorgeous? You know, I watch other videos and I think, oh, I'm going to get it this time. My blow dryer technique is going to be awesome. And it always looks like goop, and I hate the way the lines are. I don't know how to describe it. Like in this blue area, just the way the lines are very, I don't like them. I'm just going to. See, I just like the cells. Like that top left corner, the way the lines are very chaotic. I just don't like the way that looks. I'm just not happy with it. Yeah, I just don't like the way those lines look. And a lot of people do it, and I don't know. Like, I like it with other people's art, but I don't like it. I like the cells. I like the way the cells look. I'm just gonna wipe across. See, I like cells. Look at that. I just don't like those lines. Let me just do a whole other thing. And I love the blue, I love the pink and the white. And let me get more cells. Look at all those cells. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, this whole thing took a whole left turn. Look at that upper blue, the left, the blue. Well, now it's the middle, the mid left with the black and the pink. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Just gonna swipe. This is an absolute mess. This is horrible. But I promise you the end looks beautiful because in the end I get it together. Well worth it. But this is a mess. But like that pink right there with that blue, that's why I'm hanging in there because these colors are just, they're so pretty. Look at that. I could just watch that drip for hours. And that pink there with the light blue and the black. It's kind of at the center. So I don't want to let it go because these colors are gorgeous. So hang in there with me. It's going to look awesome. I'm just mixing it all together and we'll see what happens. See what beautiness pops up. I have high hopes. Yeah, I'm really trying. I don't like the way these squiggly lines look. It just, nothing in me likes this. It feels, and I apologize if you do squiggly lines like this. Like, more power to you. For some reason, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't like it. And I love all these colors, but yeah. I'm gonna have to redo this. I don't like it. Let's just do a pour. Or farget. What the heck? Yeah, I have a little bit more paint here on the side, so I'm just going to do a flip cup. Just do black around the edges again, so it has something to flow with, which I have all this paint on the canvas anyway. I probably don't need it. I'm just going to flip this cup, let it marinate for a few moments. All right, we're just going to leave that baby there for a few moments. Yeah, okay, here we go. The cup has stewed enough. Oh, look at that pink again next to that blue. I love it so much. Oh, it's so beautiful with a hint of black. All right, let's see. I know I'll be much happier now. Look at those cells already starting to form. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to lose this here towards the bottom, all these little cells. I might wind up losing them. Let's see. There's a nice line of sparkles. You see sparkles. Hopefully I can keep that too. Yeah, I'm losing it. But look at these big, beautiful, gigantic cells. They're gorgeous. Flip over. Yes, I'm so much more happier. Yeah. Can you see the white cells and the black there? Oh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, I like this so much better than... See, I don't mind a few squiggly lines out here on the edge. This is not so bad. Yeah, I'm much happier. Yes. I like this style so much better. It's much more satisfying. See, even that I don't like. But it's goopy under there. This I love. Let me know what you guys think. Let me hear your comments, whether good or bad. Do you like the color combinations? I love, like, on the right side, there's some cells with dark blue. And then if you move over a little to the left, it's light blue. And then with the pink, that's actually really beautiful. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Any color combinations that you want me to do, let me know. Or any techniques you want me to try, just comment below. Let's have a chit chat. All right, guys, you have a great day and keep resonating.